Watch this video and learn how to easily install .NET Framework 3.5 on Windows 11. Hey, you're watching Silicophilic, the home for all tech users. Many old applications need the .NET Frame 3.5 installed to work properly, but Windows 11 doesn't come with it installed by default. Here, we will show you how to install it on Windows 11, so watch this video till the end. Before we get into the steps, subscribe to our channel for future tech support. Also like this video if it helps you solve this issue. Don't forget to comment your feedback on the steps or if you are facing any issue while performing them. We also have a Facebook group of troubleshooting experts where you can share your tech issues and get direct help. The link to the group is in the pinned comment. Now, let's begin. Click on the search button and type Turn Windows Features on or off. Select the top result and it will open the Windows Features window. Look for the .NET Framework 3.5 option and check the box before it. Expand it next. Make sure all the sub-options are also checked. Now, click on OK. Select Let Windows Update download the files for you option. It will take some time for it to be downloaded and installed, so keep patience. While you're waiting, give this video a like and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Once the installation finishes, close the window and restart your PC. Your PC will now apply the updates and restart. So that's it. If this video has helped you in figuring this issue, then give us a like and subscribe to our channel. If the issue isn't resolved from the steps we have shown here, comment below to let us know, and our team will try their best to help you out. Also join our Facebook group for direct tech support. The link to the group is in the pinned comment. Thanks for watching Silicophilic.